What's your favorite Topcoder memory of all time? I want to know what it is, but most importantly, I want you to add it to our living timeline wall at Topcoder. This creation was built and designed by our Topcoder community, and I'm so proud of this project. The whole goal of this is to see how Topcoder has reached so many amazing individuals and touched their lives in such positive, amazing ways. So think about your most favorite Topcoder memory. Maybe it was the first time you won a challenge. Maybe it was the first time you got to come to a TCO finals and meet your friends in person. Maybe your favorite Topcoder memory is getting that awesome Topcoder t-shirt. So whatever it is, don't miss our timeline wall. Add to it. We want to see all your amazing memories so that we can enjoy them together and share. My favorite Topcoder memory? That's a tough one. It's probably a toss-up between my first TCO or getting to see all my favorite people around the world at TCO. Topcoder, we're more than just a community, we're a big family, and I can't wait to see all of your amazing memories. Add them to the timeline wall today. You can be eligible for prizes.